How do I cancel Six Flags membership? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to cancel your Six Flags membership. So first of all, just simply open the Six Flags official website, and after that just simply go to the membership login section if you already are a pass holder in the Six Flags. And after that you just simply have to enter your order ID, which is the 9-digit account or confirmation number which you must have gotten when you have purchase your membership. And after that just simply enter your email address at the time of purchase, the same email address that you used. And once inside the account portal, navigate to the hamburger menu in the upper left hand corner, and after that just simply click on it and click on membership section from there, and just go to the second option which says under overview, and scroll till the bottom of the screen and just read through the information under cancel membership, and click on the red cancel membership button if you meet the criteria listed. And if you do not meet the criteria, you cannot cancel your membership at this time. So this is basically how you will be able to cancel your Six Flags membership. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.